Now, in Harbour and Bull Bay in St. Andrew, the downpour wreaked havoc for several hours. Our reporter Herman Green was in those areas.
This amateur video gives a glimpse of what commuters along the Norman Manley Boulevard in St. Andrew experienced as Tropical Storm Grace lashed the island. Once we got through the traffic and the rain, the damage from the storm was clear to see. Our first stop was in Harbour Heights to be exact. And the roadway you see behind me is just a glimpse of the damage we saw here. As we went into the community, the cracks in the roadway looked like there was an earthquake. The residents explained that all this happened within an hour of heavy rains sometime after 10 a.m.
The rain starts and the road is given away. Generally, over that side here, you'd have the iron thing go right round, that gone down.
The road will start to deteriorate because the water, when the rain falls, the water soaks the earth. You know, rain falls for a period of time.
Motorists who were used to using the roadway had to turn back in search of an alternative route. Business places and homes also suffered.
Pure water. Every minute I feel empty out. I feel dip up water and I empty out with bucket.
We need authority to come in and do something very fast, as you can see.
We then journeyed to Bull Bay, where there was flooding in several areas. Residents spoke of this car, which was almost washed away close to the Tamarind Tree community. The driver managed to escape injury, but residents say floodwaters scarred the area.
Just hold for traffic block up. That's all I come see, and water high. You see, all debris are washed down from shooters will come down.
There were no reports of damage or flooding in Wees Road. For the communities affected, the waters ran off quickly once the rain stopped. However, with Grace, a tropical storm causing this much damage after a few hours, residents are worried.
Yes, I am, because if this is just a little light rain, what would happen further down in the night or when heavy rain come down?
Well, we need better draining and better system, you know. As calm to you see it, better draining, better system. When rain fall, the water can just space around.
Herman Green, TVJ News.